Replacing your door is an exciting home improvement that can enhance security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're planning a door replacement in Pasadena, knowing what to expect during the installation process can help you feel more confident and prepared from start to finish. The process typically begins with a pre-installation consultation or final measurement. Even if you've already chosen your new door, professionals will often double-check the dimensions of your doorway to ensure a precise fit. This step is especially important because a properly fitted door is key to performance, security, and energy efficiency. Before installation day, you'll want to prepare your home. Clearing the area around your entryway, both inside and outside, helps the installation team work efficiently. Removing rugs, decor, and nearby furniture ensures nothing gets damaged and allows for easy access. If you have pets or young children, it's also a good idea to keep them in a separate area for safety during the process. On installation day, the first step is removing your existing door. Installers will carefully take out the old door, frame, and any associated hardware. This part of the process can be a bit noisy and may involve some minor disruption, but experienced professionals work efficiently to minimize inconvenience. Once the old door is removed, the opening is thoroughly inspected. This is an important step because it ensures there's no hidden damage, such as rot, moisture issues, or structural concerns. In Pasadena, where weather conditions can vary, addressing any underlying issues before installing the new door helps prevent future problems and ensures long-term performance. Next comes the installation of the new door frame and door unit. Precision is critical here. The frame must be level, square, and securely anchored to ensure smooth operation and a proper seal. Installers will make adjustments as needed to achieve a perfect fit, which directly affects how well your door opens, closes, and locks. Sealing and insulation are also key parts of the process. High-quality materials are used to fill any gaps between the frame and the wall, preventing air leaks and improving energy efficiency. Proper sealing helps keep your home comfortable year-round and protects against drafts, moisture, and outdoor elements. After the door is installed, the hardware is added or adjusted. This includes handles, locks, and any additional security features. Installers will test everything to make sure it functions smoothly and securely. If your new door includes advanced locking systems, they'll ensure everything is properly aligned and easy to use. Finishing touches are what bring the entire project together. This may include adding trim, sealing edges, and cleaning up the work area. Professional installers take care to leave your space looking neat and complete, with your new door seamlessly integrated into your home. Once installation is complete, you'll typically be given a walkthrough. This is your opportunity to see how the door operates, ask questions, and learn about proper care and maintenance. It's also a good time to check that everything meets your expectations and address any final concerns. Most door installations in Pasadena can be completed within a few hours, depending on the complexity of the project. However, larger or custom installations may take longer. Your installer should provide a clear timeline so you know what to expect. After installation, you'll likely notice immediate benefits. A new door can improve your home's appearance, making your entryway more welcoming and visually appealing. You may also feel a difference in comfort, as better insulation helps maintain indoor temperatures more effectively. In the days following installation, it's normal to pay extra attention to how your new door performs. Smooth operation, a tight seal, and improved security are all signs of a successful installation. Ultimately, understanding what to expect during replacement door installation helps make the experience stress-free and rewarding. For homeowners in Pasadena, it's an opportunity to upgrade both the look and performance of your home with confidence. With proper preparation and a skilled installation team, your new door will provide lasting value, comfort, and peace of mind for years to come.